All right, guys, so we're gonna put these Nokins seat covers on the lower seat and the backrest so we can finish this install here. These seat covers are non-staple-on seat covers. You don't have to worry about having a staple gun or anything like that. So when you get it, just fold it out. It's gonna look like one, except there's another one inside of the bottom portion. So as you can tell, the white here is a lot shorter at the top than it is the bottom, so you know that's the back portion. And we'll install that in just a minute as well. Okay, so on these seat covers here, you have like this little leather badge right here, and it's got a slit in it right there. That slit there and this slit right here are gonna go to the angle pieces here on the front, which clips into the golf cart. I'll put one just like that. I'm gonna stretch it out and put another one on just like this right here. Sorry, my bench is just rolling around here. Just gonna take them under here. And basically, we're just gonna manhandle the seat covers and pull them to the other side here. I'm not even gonna try to worry about taking the handles off yet. I'm just pulling these strap handles out there as well. Coming through the back, coming through there again. I'm just going to apply some pressure to that. This will help me hold it in place while we maneuver everything here. Now these three straps are on and they're semi-tight. It's pretty much holding it in place. However, we need to reach down towards each side and lift up as much as we can here. These covers do stretch out a good bit. Pull out some more pressure on that handle there. Same goes with this one. If you wanted to, you could loosen these handles up here to get the cover, more along the bottom of the seat here since it's flipped over. These are 10 millimeter bolt heads there. Just that little bit will help out tremendously right there. That's good to go. We can repeat the same process for this other side over here. These seat covers are done and they look great. Let me pull you around here and show you. That's the side and the back. What do you think? I think these look great, especially for the price. I'll be sure to put links in the description where you can find these at, guys. This is a very fast install. I'm glad that we didn't have to use any staple gun or anything like that with it. So let's do the back ones next. All right, next this is the backrest for the front portion of the seat. Now your golf cart may or may not have one of these back covers on here. If you don't have a back cover, I'll be sure to place a link to this cover in the description as well. It just hides all of this. I think all of that's ugly, and you actually see that from the side back portion of the cart. So you want to take your golf cart, make it look a little bit better, put a seat back cover on there. That looks a lot better, but we need to go ahead and wrap this seat as well. So we're going to take this cover off. When we're going to put the cover on to the seat back here, you don't want to stick one cover all the way into one side because you're going to have to pull even more. So you kind of want to put this portion on the outside rim of the seat. And this right here also gives you a look at inside the seat cover. It's not just a seat cover, but there's actually padding in here underneath the diamond pattern there. So pretty simple. Let's do something here. It'd be better if y'all probably doing this not on a rolling cart like I have here. Okay, so the front is pretty much on. We need to come up and we need to adjust the front even more here. And get it as tight as we can get it. Want to make sure everything is as equal as possible here. And what I mean by that is you don't want to have one side, covering all the way over here and then the other side not covering as much. So we want to make sure it's got equal coverage all around it. We can go ahead and hook these up as well. Remember, it goes through the very middle, up, and come through the very top back. So when you're pulling it tight, it stays together like that. Okay, say you have these covers on here and for some reason you need to access the seat. Only thing you got to do is flip it up. Once you flip it up, it loosens. But when you have it tight, it's pretty much tight against itself right there. Let's do it again. From the middle, go through the top loophole. The top loophole has like a serrated edge there. Grab down as much as you can and pull up. See, there's a seam right here. We want to carry that seam as much as we can. Over here, that seam's right here. We need to grab it and pull up. I'm going to just put these right here out the way. I'm going to grab my back cover here. Making sure it's fitting around there. Looks a lot better. And that's how you install your seat covers from Nokins. Pretty simple. So once you get the back done, and the back is looking really good with this double stitch diamond seat covers, be sure to order the front matching seat covers as well and do those. So these front seat covers were easy to install. These look really good. However, I believe the back seat is missing some accessories.